Good afternoon, student. Next we are going to revise that map both. Here will be we are discuss some countries they given. What does that mean? Mark the following countries on the world map. What are they given? Great Britain, Morocco, Greece, Germany, Turkey, and Austria, Hungary, France. What is that? France, Serbia, Bulgaria, Italy, Bosnia, and Romania. So these are all the places you want to mark in the world outline map. So here listen, be carefully. This is the continent. What is the continent? They have splitted. This is the part is as Asia. This part is, what is that? Europe. Understood all of you? This is a part. This big continent will be splitted the two part. One part, this part fully is the Asia. This part is Europe. And down this is what is the place? What is the continent? Africa. What is this? Africa. And here is the in between Asia there. We will be know that what is the continent name? Is the India. Understood you all? So this is India. Upper this is the place. What is that? Bangladesh and that all. This side, what is that? Pakistan, and upper is the another China. This all will available. This side is the China. Okay, listen. Here Africa up. What is the place is there? Bulgaria. What is the name? Bulgaria. What is the name? Bulgaria. Then upper you have having the, what is the place ma? Greece. What is that? Greece. Greece means Athens. Athens means that is, you know that. And upper is there another Turkey. What is the place? That is Turkey. And Turkey up. So nearby you are keep it there. Pakistan upper is there another. What is the place is there? Romania. What is the name? Romania. And this is nearby Romania, thereby is a Serbia and Bosnia. So this all it is available upper the places of the Africa. So in the Africa, this is a corner. This is the, what is the island? So or not island not. What is that? Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is another Arctic and Antarctica. This is the down. So here is the Morocco. And after that one small country is the Italy, and Italy after what is the country? France and Germany. Keep it that. First is the Morocco, after the small country's name is the Italy. Italy after what is the country will be there? France, and France after Germany. So this is the one of the island format. This is called that England, and England inside will be you are there in the one part the place Great Britain. What is the place ma? Great Britain. And after the Great Britain, after the upstairs is there the Austria Hungary. What is the ma? Austria Hungary. Clear you all? So keep in the mind. This is the big continent. This is the continent split two part. One is the Europe, another one is the Asia. The Europe part only the all the places available. Here is the down is the continent is the Africa. The Africa upper you have that the Bulgaria and Greece, and the left side Morocco, and small countries the Italy and France and Germany, and the Great Britain. And here is the another, what is that? Turkey and Romania and Serbia and Bosnia. After that what is the Australia and Hungary. You have keep the mind. It is the North America, North America. This is the Greenland. The Greenland nearby the left hand having the place Austria Hungary. Understood? Next we are discuss a timeline chart. Okay, well, you know the scale, you all know that your graph means you know very well. So 1 unit you have calculated with the 5 years. Here what you want the timeline? What is the year started? 1910, and next is the 5 unit 1915 and the 1912. In between you have calculated. Okay, well, this is the another 12. So another 12. Sorry, 1910 and 12, 13 and 14, 15. After the 15. So the 1914, what is happened? Outbreak of World War. Another 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Clear you all of it? In between they are taking the 5 line. The 14, what is happened? That outbreak of World War 1. And next is 15 and 16, 17. What is there? Russian Revolution. What is there? Russian Revolution. And 1918. End of the World War 1, and 1919 and tragedy of Versailles, and 1920 establishment of leakage of nation. So this is the timeline chart. First, how in between your scale you are taken 5 years. So 1910 years started, and 1940 what has happened? Outbreak of World War I, and 1917 is the Russian Revolution, and 1918 end of the World War I, and 1919 tragedy of the Versailles, and 1920 establishment of leakage of nation. Understood? We are discussed map work, and what is that? Timeline chart. Map means what is the map you are using? Even a world outline. Understood, student? Thank you.